First vote. First vote. Many votes for green. And take 30 seconds because it wasn't, it's most of the votes for green, but yellow or orange was also getting a handful of votes. So let's assume that it's one of those two, and let's see if we can converge on which one. OK, you're not as lively as on the last one. So I assume this means everybody's converged on the right answer, which is? Yes. Good, green. So let's go through what's the four different possibilities here. Convention over configuration, again, it's a great thing to have, but it's only convenient. It's not magic. And we actually do have to tell Rails what the nature of the association is, right? The fact that foreign keys exist doesn't mean that you can always infer what the right association is. So having the nested routes tells Rails how we want to traverse that association. So that explains why it would work as long as we declare a nested resource between reviews and moviegoers. Now, what about these other two answers? The idea that there can be only one RESTful route to any particular resource? No, that's actually not true. It's perfectly legitimate as long as for a given route, it's unambiguous what is named by that route. So in that direction, there has to be uniqueness, right? It would be bad if you had the same RESTful route and it could mean quite different things in different contexts. It would sort of not be RESTful. But given the same underlying resource, there's no problem having multiple distinct RESTful routes that could name that resource. And here, all we're saying is, in some cases, it might be more convenient to name a review according to the owning movie. In other cases, it might be more convenient to name it according to the owning moviegoer. So both kinds of RESTful routes could actually coexist, right? And both of them could map to the review. The only difference is what's available in params when a controller method is called through one of those routes. And having more than one through association involving reviews would lead to ambiguity? No, not particularly. As long as if there's more than one through association, each associated entity has its own foreign key field, and you can traverse it in either direction. There's no ambiguity there. In fact, most of the time you'll find that when you have a through association, you're going to have multiple foreign key fields anyway. That's what a through association is for. So the fourth answer was sort of a red herring, or a blue herring, if you like. So the correct answer in this case is yes, this totally works, but you do need to explicitly specify what you want the structure of the route to be by putting a nested routes declaration in routes.rb. Questions?